Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Ooh, these intros are getting harder and harder every freaking video. So guys, I'm Diva Ash, welcome back to my channel and I hope you are all doing well. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create, you know those cut creases? The ones that like just look amazing and they go like that and then flick up? I'm going to show you the easiest way how to do that eye look. If that's something you want to learn how to do, then continue watching. Guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a beautiful cut crease. We're just literally going to be using 2 shades and 2 brushes. So if you have 2 shades and 2 brushes that you like, then obviously follow along. For this video, I'm going to be using the new Nude by Huda Beauty. The reason that I'm going to do this is because I'm kind of going for a pink look, and this palette is nothing but pink and purple. So this is the palette we're using today to create this. I've done like a pink lipstick already. I'm using the Soar Lip Liner by MAC with the color Please Me, and yeah, so I think let's just get straight into the video, don't you think? Yeah. All right, my army, come forward. Come, stop, back up. I don't think I ever get used to this camera being this close on me. Oh God, it's so intimidating. So guys, we're just going to be using 2 shades. This is going to be really quick and simple, and it's going to look like we took our time doing this. But of course, my little tips and tricks, we're going to do it real quick, and everyone's going to be asking you how you did that eye look. So make sure you share this video, yeah? If you want to. Alright guys, first things first, I'm going in with a very small Luxe Precise shader brush. Oh, what have I done to it? By Zoeva. This is the 238. I love this brush because we can get the details that we need. And guys, you know, a look like this, sometimes it goes wrong, but you can clean it up. So don't worry, don't fret, okay? We are gonna do this together. So take out a little shader brush. You can use whatever kind of shader brush you want. And yeah, let's just get straight to it. So from the palette, I think I'm gonna go in with the shade Love Bite, which is like, no, actually, let me just make sure I want something that dark. We're going in with this shade Love Bite, and we are gonna create that angled kind of look with the flick at the end. Okay. Need a bigger desk, god damn it. So guys, what we're gonna do is we are gonna dip into that shade Love Bite. And for this, you do kind of want to be looking forward, because we don't want it to go anywhere else where we don't want it to go, obviously. So what we're gonna do, and I'm gonna try to do this bending a bit here, but you need to be looking forward and your eye needs to be open, because we're not putting anything on the lid. So make sure you tap off that excess, and we're gonna start off just by stamping on the shape that we want. Just gonna stamp it on. Doesn't even need to be dark at first. Going in here, taking it up around. And as you can see, I'm barely putting any shade on, just in case it goes wrong, you know? I've got the shape going, so now I'm just gonna build up on that shape that we have. And I'm taking that really in. I like mine to be slightly more out, so as you can see where my eyebrow stops, I'm making sure that flick ends just slightly out of that. So again guys, we just want to see, look, when I'm looking straight, you need to make sure you can see that whole line. That's why if you're looking down or you're looking like that, it might come out wrong, which is why I'm saying make sure you're always looking forward. Now, the hardest part about doing this is getting this one the same. But yeah, I'm kind of happy with how deep it is. I might go back in once I've blended it out to get slightly more deeper, but right now I'm happy with that shape. So we're going to go ahead and do this side. And guys, our eyes are not symmetrical unless you have a perfect face, but like I have 2 different eyebrows, my eyes are different, so they will look slightly different, but we're just going to try to get it as close as possible to this one that we've currently got going on here. So again, just go in light and then just deepen it up. Now, because my eyebrows are different, they're ending in different spots. But I don't mind that. That's just me, you know, that's my face. I'm embracing it, I'm loving it, and we're just gonna make it work, okay? Okay. All right, so now that I've got the shape that I like, I'm just gonna deepen them both further. Now I have both of my eyes exactly how I want them. I'm gonna take a small blending brush. So I am going in with the E3 6 by Morphe. It's a detailed crease brush. It's brand new, so I'm gonna open that shit up. So now what I'm gonna do with this brush is I'm just gonna diffuse slightly just at the top. I'm not actually adding any product, nothing. This brush is completely new and not used, and I'm gonna just diffuse it slightly because we want it to have a blended effect. Oh damn, I forgot to tell you guys, I already did my base, obviously, and I just used a normal concealer. I didn't use a primer. I used the tape shape concealer, set it using the Laura Mercier translucent powder, and when you use translucent powder, it just makes the blending so much easier. So as you can see, that line is getting nicely diffused. Perfect. So now I've got my eyes exactly how I want them. Maybe not equal, but this is what I like, and we're sticking with it. So then now we are gonna go in with a fluffier brush. So this is the Morphe M332, and I'm gonna take the shade Tickle, which is this lovely shade here, and I'm gonna further blend that out into this Love Bite shade that we've already got. I think I'm gonna go back in with this brush, the smaller brush, because I don't actually want it to go too high up. And I'm taking that again, just 50% on and 50% off. And I'm just following the shape of the eye that I've created. Now guys, I'm doing it with pink because obviously it's just to match my outfit and to match my lips, but I am going out today, so I'm doing like, I do love this eye for going out in, so I'm just going to do this eye but a bit more plain. You can obviously do this with whatever colors and shades you like, but this is a really simple way. And you might think, oh god, this is really hard, but once you know your eye shape, why every time I'm filming the computer just wants to go crazy? But if you know your eye shape, you can basically do anything on there. So learn your eye shapes, guys. I'm actually thinking of doing a top 10 tips for eyeshadow for beginners, and that's just going to teach you just literally the basics, and trust me, you'll know exactly what to do with your eye shapes and what colors and everything to use. So we're just going in with this side, doing exactly the same as we did on this side. Now if you feel as if, oh, you've lost a bit of that darker shade, don't worry, we can always go back in and pat that on and get that color back, but the blending is the main thing. And guys, when you're working with darker shades, don't go in so heavy handed. You just need to go in a little bit and build it up, because if it becomes too dark, then it's a bit more difficult to fix. So guys, I am happy with the way these eyes are looking, and this is how I'm gonna keep it. I'm not gonna add any color in here. You are more than welcome to go ahead and do that. I'm actually just gonna leave it really plain and just do some lashes. Actually, I forgot, we need to do the lower lash line. I'm just gonna do a tiny bit on the lower lash line. I'm gonna take that shade Love Bite and just pop that in here. I'm not actually taking it too far out or anything. Perfect, just like this. And the reason I'm not taking it too far up is because I don't want to connect that. I want that to have its own moment and to look, you know, dramatic and amazing like that. So I'm not actually going to connect anything. And now we're going to go in with that small blending brush and go in with the shade Tickle and just blend that out. So now at this point, if you want to go back in and clean up underneath so you have a really nice sharp line, you can do. I don't think I'm gonna do that today. Now at this point, guys, you can obviously add color in there. You can add more color at the top. That's totally down to you and down to preference. But I'm just gonna go straight in with some highlighter in the inner corner and the brow bone, and that's the eye look done for me. So I'm gonna go in with the Nikki Tutorials and Ofra Everglow highlighter. And I'm gonna take that really bright whitish kind of highlighter there, and I'm gonna go in to the brow bone and inner corner. Alright guys, so now that I've basically done the basis of everything that I want doing, I'm going to go and put on some lashes, do mascara, and I'll be right back with the finished look. Okay. Okay. So guys, this is the final look and I hope you like it. Let me zoom you out and let's do our ending. Okay. So guys, of course this is the final look. I hope you liked it. I hope you found it easy. The lashes that I used today was the Tatti Lashes 3D Brazilian hair. The reason that I went for this is because it kind of has a yeah, they're on. They're secure. It kind of goes in a gradient, so you have that wing effect, and because we have these lovely eyes, I did want to go for some big lashes. I didn't put any liner in my waterline or anything like that. Just wanted to keep it nice and simple, as simple as can be when you have an eye like this, but that's what I wanted to do. So guys, I hoped you liked the look and I hoped you liked the video, and if you did, leave me a big thumbs up. If you're not part of the Diva Army and you're not part of our YouTube family, then make sure to subscribe to the channel. And if you guys have any other looks you'd like to see me do, or just anything in particular that you want some tips and advice on, you can always ask me in the comments. I'm always responding to you guys, or I could just do a video if it's a subject that lots of people are touching on. So guys, yes, before you go, over here we have the subscribe button. So just in case you didn't listen the first time, better listen now. Hit that subscribe button. And over here is my next video. So if you haven't watched any of my other videos, or you're new, or you just want to watch more videos of me, then click this. So guys, thank you for being here and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.